In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a quick capture database in Notion. Start by opening Notion and going to the Getting Started page in your workspace. This is simply where we will create a fresh page for our database. Once you are there, click into the main area of the page, then choose Empty Page to create a new blank page. On the new page, click the title area at the top and type Quick Capture. Take a moment to click the title again if needed, just to make sure the name is exactly how you want it. Keeping the title short and clear helps later when you link this database in other places. Now we will turn this page into a database. In the Page Content area, open the Database option and create a database on the page. This gives you a simple table where each entry becomes a quick note, task, or idea you want to capture fast, without organizing it perfectly in the moment. Once the database is created, add a helpful property. Click Add Property, then choose Created Time. This will automatically timestamp every new entry. That is important for quick capture, because you can always sort or filter later based on when something was added. Next, add one more property for follow-up. Click to add another property, type a name for it, and set the property type to checkbox. This checkbox can be used as a simple indicator, for example to mark items as processed, reviewed, or completed. The key is that it stays lightweight so capturing stays fast. After that, return to your dashboard page. Click into the page and click where you want your quick capture list to appear. Type to bring up the database options, then select Linked View of Data Source. When Notion asks which data source you want to use, choose Quick Capture. You now have a linked view of your quick capture database on your dashboard. This is useful because you can add new entries right from the dashboard, while the original database still lives on its own page. If needed, click into the view and adjust your focus by selecting the area so it is easy to access and ready for daily use. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.